Welcome back to Rondonaire's real-life motivational lessons for teens. Today's lesson is stop shrinking yourself. Somewhere along the way, you learn to shrink yourself, to stay quiet, to dim your light, to take up less space than you deserve. But you were never meant to live small. This message is your reminder to stop shrinking yourself. How shrinking starts. Shrinking doesn't happen all at once. It happens in moments. Moments where you felt judged. Moments where you were misunderstood. Moments where someone made you feel too much, too loud, too emotional, too ambitious. So you made yourself smaller to fit their comfort, not your potential. But shrinking yourself doesn't protect you. It limits you. What shrinking looks like. Shrinking yourself shows up in ways you don't always notice. Laughing at jokes that hurt you. Pretending you don't care when you do. Holding back your ideas because you're scared of being judged. Acting smaller so others feel bigger. Letting people cross your boundaries because you don't want to seem difficult. These habits don't keep the peace. They break your confidence. Why you shrink yourself? You shrink yourself because you want to fit in. Because you don't want to be the one who stands out. Because you don't want to disappoint anyone. Because you're scared of being misunderstood. Because you've been taught that being less is safer than being fully you. But shrinking yourself doesn't make life easier. It makes life smaller. And you deserve more than that. What happens when you stop shrinking? When you stop shrinking, everything changes. You start breathing again. You start speaking up. You start choosing yourself. You start showing the world who you really are, not the version you edited to make others comfortable. You begin to realize that the right people won't be intimidated by your light. They'll be inspired by it. Becoming the full version of you. Becoming the full version of yourself means taking up space, using your voice, setting boundaries, being honest about what you want, showing your personality, owning your strengths, not apologizing for existing. You don't need permission to be yourself. You don't need approval to grow. You don't need validation to shine. You just need courage. And you already have that inside you. So stop shrinking yourself. Stop dimming your light. Stop making yourself smaller to fit into spaces you were meant to outgrow. Stand tall. Speak up. Take up space. You are allowed to be seen. You are allowed to be heard. You are allowed to be fully, unapologetically you. If you're a teen who wants more for your life, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn the notification bell to all so you never miss a new lesson. This is Rondonaire, signing off.